Recently, at a function held at the Library Hall Nongpoh in Ri Bhoi District, as many as 104 students of the district had been felicitated with the Fr.Sylvanus Sngi Lyngdoh Maitshaphrang Academic Award by the Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills Circle. The Felicitation program was organized to commemorate the 6th death anniversary of late Father Sngi Lyngdoh, who had contributed much to the Khasi society and the state as a whole. 20 top 10 students who scored the highest percentage in the last board exams were awarded a certain amount of cash prize and scarf. The KSU also felicitated Dr. Phiralin Amy Mirsing, who was recently awarded a PhD degree in sociology by the University of Science, Technology and Management, Ri Bhoi District. The president of the KSU Central Executive Committee, Lombok Star Marangar, was the chief guest, while the DSEO Ri Bhoi District, Paidalin L. Lyngdoh Nonglait, graced the occasion as guest of honor. Others present included members of the central body of the Khasi Students Union and those from the North Khasi Hills Circle, parents of awardees and other invitees. Performance by one of Ri Bhoi's popular singers, Kintiulin Maupnyang, and the singing of the Ri Bhoi anthem formed part of the program.
Morning Star Makri. Napankre samayo ng sim.
Điều buồn trái vương vong tình chân u la li li ta đi ta yong u nu chi ngắm đêm bát ông đây cả bốn chính đồng sầm la nhị tiếp đây tăng kỳ bốn chính số pha kỳ mắt trong nhị kim ju sai pha nhưng tên
San phong dari Islam ilatunun kum kaciyo jaga celah pura. Aku awan bu di Islam lah buli kamta. Iban Shillong ki aset coba celah coba cek itu berapa. In hun bat ngin priang sa jaga kata kau perhat pedai. Bat syumbai bat alwaisa jaga senja kata. Langisem bagai pulih putih ke jenang jengstang kongiong. Kadai ke wailam ke banan, kadai ke cuk ke cuki. Kadai ke buat ini bagi perkat, ban kersoi itu ke telong tu ke jemut tu perkat cuki. Ban tahu kemai, jaga cai pendiri baca kecelah berokok. Apa yang tu kita jengat tatian kebijakan berbuat. Rei masuk benong, bunsian ya ke kemau itu hadir juga biar. One lap the step of tengah. Hadirin jomulak perahu. Mipau simpeli. Kita di kita disien. Iba kum kecai sendiri. Kenam ngam, kenam jak lalu dulu. Bapa bhi kisah bilong. Kita kinong sayur, kinong pratanti, bat kinong daunti kemenor. Bat dau, bat terai kisah. Jika masai sisi jom kecai sendiri berkoi.